If you pass up on free money, you're a fool. So we got the Dosh app. Really cool app. It's been out for several months now. A lot of people cashed out during the holidays, but it's never too late. It's still an opportunity to cash out with the Dosh app. But most importantly, let's talk about the fundamentals and basics of the Dosh app, Dosh app. Everybody says it differently. All you need to pay attention to is the money sign, the dollar sign. All right, so 3 things that make the Dosh app pretty cool. Number 1, you earn cash back for shopping. Regular, everyday shopping that you're already doing in your local area. Okay, might as well get some cash back for it. It's no different than any other cash back program that you might be involved in currently with your bank, with other apps, with different credit cards that you use. Like I use my my business Capital One card. They give me I think it's like 2% cash back on every purchase that I use when I use the card. Fantastic. I usually use the cash back to either put cash onto the bill, or I'll use the cash to do something cool with the wife. You know, have a cool, awesome date night, go out for a weekend, spend something nice on the kids, so forth and so on. But this opportunity here is really cool because, see, if I refer my business credit card to somebody else, say, hey, check out Capital One business credit card, they're not going to give me any cash back for that. So the Dosh app actually does that. So you refer, when you refer to others, all right, refer to others and make extra income, like it says in number 2. And I'm going to show you how it all works. I'm going to actually bring up the app so you can see it, get a visual of what I'm talking about. And of course, you use PayPal to collect your payments. I think that's great. Super easy. So once you have over $15 accumulated in your Dosh app, you can then transfer that over to your PayPal account. And, you know, you can do whatever you please with it, transfer to your bank account, or use your PayPal debit card to spend it. I don't care. It's totally up to you. But those 3 things right there are super important when it comes to the Dosh app. Earn cash back for shopping. Refer to others and make extra income. Use PayPal to collect payments. And now let's go over to the actual app so you can get a visual of the app, and I can play around with the app and everything like that. Okay, so this is the app right here. Okay. And the app comes up. Pretty cool. I have $5 in my balance. They actually gave me that $5 for adding my debit card, because you do have to add your debit card or credit card. You can't use prepaid cards. No matter what these people tell you on the internet, don't believe them. You can't use a prepaid card, or every time that you refer, you're not gonna collect any extra money. And I think that every person you refer to who adds their debit card or credit card, or whatever card they prefer to use, and it has to be the card that you actually shop with. So I have my debit card here. I have my business debit card on the Dosh app, and every time I use my business debit card for purchases in the local area, you know, for food and entertainment and things of that nature, it then puts cash back onto my Dosh app, and then it accumulates. Once it accumulates, I can then transfer it over to my PayPal account. Okay, so I mean, everyday things: Papa John's, right? Chili's, Sam's Club. If you get gas from Sam's Club, Hallmark, right? These are all top tier, you know, tier 1 places. Forever 21, World Mart, and then nearby. So you can click nearby. So these are all the things that are super close to me, that if I decide to go and shop at, I'm gonna get 2% cash back, 7% cash back, 10% cash backs, no matter how much I purchase. See, these, you know, these companies like this want you to use their app. Number 1, you're helping them get leads. Number 2, you're encouraging you're encouraging people to shop with their partners. So in the end, they make a crap load of money anyway. So why not give us a little bit of 2%, 7% cash back to help us, you know, small change folks out, right? So, and it's very simple. You can use it for travel, okay? You can get $25 for booking your first hotel, which is cool. Home is just simply going here, you know, checking out the offers. They gave me, see, a $5 bonus for simply adding my debit card to the account. And once you refer out to others, because they're going to give you a refer link. It actually says it down here. It says refer, and you have your unique link. They're actually doing a bonus right now. At this moment that I'm recording this video, they're doing a bonus where they're actually giving people $10 for referring. Normally it's $5. So I mean you refer out what, 10 people, that's $100. 10 people to add their debit card to the app, that's $100. You can do that today. right? You can do that today, and there you go. You make yourself an easy $100. But most importantly, if you learn how to use the internet, like simple YouTube videos, I mean, you could do that 3-4 times over every single day, right? When you learn how to market. So that's also a bonus. So if you use my referral link for Dosh app right below this video, okay, it's going to take you to a link where you could get access to my Dosh link, and then you become a referrer. You sign up, you add your debit card and you check it out, you actually use it, go shopping, for crying out loud, test it out, actually earn the cash back. What I'm going to do is give you a bonus for being one of my referrers. I'm gonna give you a bonus, and I'm gonna show you how to build this daggone thing on the internet. I'm gonna send you over an awesome course, my 8-step routine. There's 8 things I do every day in order to make anywhere from $200 to $300 a day utilizing the internet. I'm gonna show you my Wi-Fi wealth system that you can get access to as well. So I'll show you all those cool things. All you simply have to do is click the link below this video and get access to the Dosh app. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, some other cool stuff. So these are the offers. I mean, it's super simple. You can click online as well. So these are all the offers, companies that you can use online. Companies that most of us use every single day, or at least monthly or every other month or so. And you can make yourself some, extra income. We're not talking about getting rich here, but if you can make extra income for sharing an app and getting other people to do exactly what you're doing as far as adding your debit card, doing your first, shopping on the Dosh app. It's a totally legitimate app. It's really cool. I'm super skeptical about things, but I checked it out. A friend of mine sent it over to me. Not only will I use it for cash back, but also using it for making extra income. Why not? If I can make an extra $100 to $200 a week just from the app alone, from utilizing YouTube videos and social media, Facebook and all that cool stuff, why not? All right. So go ahead and click the link below. Go ahead and get your Dosh app, set things up appropriately, and from there, you are going to get an email from me that's going to give you all my programs and showing you how you can really scale this up and make a successful income online. All right, peace.